Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to write a journal. This will be a full tutorial with bonus journal topics. So let's get right into the video. First and foremost, a journal is a very specific type of writing, okay? It's a very specific type of writing piece. It's actually like a monologue, okay? So it's actually like a monologue, which a monologue is essentially a form of drama where you sort of talk to yourself, okay? I'm gonna zoom in just a bit so you can see a little bit better what I'm writing. So it's like a monologue, but it's a written monologue. So it's a monologue that is written, okay? So essentially you're talking to yourself, but you're writing it down. So it's like a written monologue, okay? Now you can start with a few different things. You can start with Dear Diary. If it's like a diary type of journal, you can start with Dear Self, okay? If you're talking to yourself, or you can start with something like Dear Me, okay? So you can start with Dear Diary, Dear Self, or Dear Me, okay? That spells me, sorry about that. Or you can just, omit all of these and you can just start writing your journal, okay? But ideally you want to address it to someone. It can be to a diary, to yourself, or to me. So Dear Diary, Dear Self, or Dear Me, or nothing at all, okay? I'm going to give you an example of a journal that I'm going to write in just a moment, so just bear with me. With regards to length, it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Some people will write journals that are super long. Other people will write journals that are relatively short or somewhere in the middle of those two extremes. Completely up to you. With regards to writing style, completely up to you as well. You can write in paragraph form, where you're just going to write paragraphs, or you can write a list, right? You can write a journal about what you want to do today, or you can write both of those together. So it can be a paragraph, and then it can be accompanied by a list. It's completely up to you, but the main thing is that it is essentially a written monologue, so you are writing something where you're speaking to yourself, okay? And you're gonna have a general topic. It's gonna follow a general topic. So one topic is gonna sort of be the, the underlying thing for the entire journal, okay? So what I have here is an example that I wrote down of a journal, and I'm gonna write it out. I'm gonna switch to a pen instead of that chart because that's running out of ink, okay? So I'm gonna switch to a pen over here. Now, this is going to be about a great day that I'm having. So just bear with me, okay? I'm going to write most of it. I might just say some of it if it's taking too long. So I'm going to start off with Dear Self. So this is being addressed to myself, okay? Today, I'm having a great day. So today, I am having a great day. That is, and I put an exclamation mark there, that is the actual journal topic. I've said what the journal topic is right at the beginning. So today I'm having a great day. It's only the morning, so it's only the morning, okay? And so many great things have already happened to me. That sounds great. And I can say some of those great things are, and then I can go to a list. So I can transition to a list, okay? So I can say, I woke up earlier than my alarm. So I woke up earlier than my alarm. Okay? I can also say, my wife made me my favorite breakfast. My wife made me my favorite breakfast, okay? Which, just so you know, my favorite breakfast is actually French toast, okay? And I actually make the breakfast in my household for myself, my wife, and our 4 kids. I make the breakfast every day, 7 days a week, just so you know. But this is just an example, right? I can also say my boss said I can work from home today. So my boss said that I can work from home today. Okay, and I can say other things, right? And then I can continue on after this list in paragraph form once again. So then I can continue on, and I ran out of paper, so I'll just say it, okay? I can continue on, I can say like, this is only the beginning of the day. If the day continues going like this, it's gonna be fantastic. And then I can say, Here are the things that I hope will happen to me today for the rest of the day. And I can list some more things. Or I can continue in paragraph form. Like, if the trend continues, these things would be fantastic if they happened as well, right? So this is just an example of a journal, okay? Now, what are some journal topics, some bonus journal topics, okay? Well, what we're going to do is I'll actually just write them down over here because this already says topics. So what are the bonus journal topics that I was speaking about? Well, the first one is that I wrote down, and I just made these up on the spot when I was writing my notes for this video. What's your favorite place to visit? So what is your favorite place to visit? Okay, what is your favorite place to visit? That's a simple question. You can outline your favorite place in detail that you visited, okay? What do you like to do for fun? So what do you like to do for fun, right? Like what are your hobbies? Like for me, I like playing video games for fun. Obviously, I obviously hanging out with my kids all the time, but like hanging out with my kids, I do that all day long, right? So, when I'm alone, what do I like to do for fun? Play video games. It's definitely my hobby. When are you the happiest, okay? When are you the happiest, okay? And I used to journal on a regular basis, and these are some of the things I would ask myself, right? What would you change about your life? This is a good one. What would you change about your life? Okay? Before I write the last journal topic down that I have written down over here as an example, if you want to answer these questions, comment below. I've done other videos like about poetry and stuff, and people comment poems that they've made up in the comment section. So if you want to answer these questions as a mini journal entry, go comment below, and maybe we can start a little chain where we can sort of express our thoughts in the comment section below, okay? And then, I can't even read my own writing. You can see how messy my writing is, right? I can't even read what this says, but I'm just going to say, I can read it now. What do you love about yourself? What do you love about, yourself? And I want a long list for that one. Don't tell me one thing. I know you love lots of things about yourself, so give me a nice long list for that one. But that's essentially it. That is how to write a journal, okay? Essentially, it's a piece of writing to yourself, where you're speaking to yourself. You can start it off with these intros, or just you can leave it out and just write your journal. You can do it in paragraph form, in list form, or both, like I did over here. You can make it as long or as short as you want to. It's really completely up to you. And these are some bonus journal topics that you can use to sort of start you on your journal journey. And that's essentially it. Go ahead and answer these in the comment section. Pick one and answer one of them. It'll just be awesome to have everyone's thoughts all together as one. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.